The history of Tokyo rope manufacturing goes back 150 years. It was right in the middle of the Boshin War, in the final days of the Tokugawa shogunate, when Yamada Masakuni, a young naval officer of the shogunate, who would later become the founder of Tokyo rope manufacturing, joined the fleet led by Enomoto Takeaki to become a crew member of Mika Homaru, a transport ship filled with soldiers. However, the day after the fleet set sail to head toward Hakodate, it was caught in a storm and two ropes used to tow Mika Homaru snapped. Many soldiers were thrown overboard into the turbulent waters to die in vain. Even after Yamada entered the service of the new Meiji government as an instructor upon Katsukaishu's recommendation, he never forgot the tragedy which befell Mika Homaru. If only the ropes hadn't snapped then. Then, as the result of continued technical research, he finally set out to manufacture a rope himself based on the conviction that resilient ropes were indispensable to the shipping, forestry, mines, and the modernization of Japan. In 1887, he obtained the support of Shibusawa Eiichi, a financial magnate of the business world, to establish Tokyo rope manufacturing with Watanabe On and Akamatsu Noriyoshi. Following the production of Manila hemp rope, they succeeded 10 years later in producing Japan's first wire rope. Since then, Tokyo rope manufacturing has remained a top manufacturer of ropes in Japan, with a history of over 100 years. Ropes and their related products support a wide variety of industries in Japan, literally from the outside and inside. The trust of our customers is the biggest asset of Tokyo rope manufacturing. The company has undergone technological innovation in unrelenting pursuit of improved quality and development of new products to create a comfortable, secure world. Tokyo rope manufacturing is now making use of the power of technology to expand the fields of business through expansion of our global offices. This is based on our concept of total cable technology. Making use of the advanced technology accumulated over the years, we explore the potential of a variety of materials according to the diversifying and increasingly sophisticated needs of customers to further innovate manufacturing technology. We also carry out maintenance on products currently in use, for example, through assessment of life expectancy. The company will take on the challenge of moving up to the next stage in its growth based on overall strength. The business fields of Tokyo rope manufacturing are divided into 4 sections for developing and providing products. Wire ropes is one of the products to represent our company. It usually does not attract much attention in life. However, if you look around, you will soon realize that wire ropes is a very important backseat player to support our daily life. Cranes have been varied in their functions and constructions. We design and manufacture wire ropes to meet such diverse conditions. For instance, we can say our ropes for floating cranes is one of the strongest ropes we produce, and it is capable of hauling up to 4,000 tons. Also, it is used for cranes to build skyscrapers. Tokyo Rope brand elevator wire ropes are used on a worldwide level. Tokyo Skytree, Yokohama Landmark Tower, and the Shanghai World Financial Center are just some examples of the buildings to have elevators with our ropes. Our elevator wire ropes are used for high-rise buildings all over the world. In 2006, a plant specializing in making wire ropes for elevators was established in Vietnam to realize a supply system allowing prompt response to global demands. Tokyo Rope enjoys a reputation of being the major manufacturer of wire ropes for cableways. Steel wires, including wire ropes, make up the foundations of the company's main products. They are used extensively in everything from key industries such as in power and telecommunications to general household products. Zinc-coated steel wires in particular, which need to perform under rigorous conditions, or steel wires used for reinforcing optical submarine cables, which need high corrosion resistance, require unique technology. Wire ropes are also used extensively in fields such as automobile control cables, civil engineering, and flood prevention works. They prop up social infrastructure and people's lives. The Tsuchiyoda plant in Ibaraki Prefecture, founded in 1970, is Tokyo Rope Manufacturing's main wire and wire rope plant. Integrated production is carried out here, from manufacturing and processing steel wires to ropes used for a variety of purposes. Furthermore, the Sakai plant looks out over Osaka Bay, and production supply is carried out, taking advantage of its location in transportation. Steel cords use wire thinner than hair. It is the limit of metal processing. Thorough automation has been implemented at the Kitakami plant in Iwate Prefecture, boasting to the world a production system in which everything from the replacement of bobbins to conveyance, stocking, and packing are controlled entirely by computers. The main products are steel tire cords used for reinforcing automobile tires. Our steel tire cords are high-strength, extra-fine wire, most suitable for wire drawing, and stranded wires made of high purity and high cleanliness wire rods. We have won high appraisal from both domestic and overseas tire manufacturers. Hose wires are also high strength, used for reinforcing high-pressure hoses. The extra-thin saw wire is a product that requires strength and stability, and it is used for slicing silicon ingots used for semiconductors and solar cells. Wire saws, which are cutting devices that use these saw wires, are manufactured at Kitakami Machinery Works. Tokyo Rope Manufacturing is the only company in the world that can supply both saw wires and wire saws, and we have won high international appraisal in this field. Tokyo Rope Changzhou Company Limited was established in Changzhou, China in 2005 in response to the globalization of automobile production centers. Furthermore, Tokyo Rope Malaysia Sendirian Berhad was established in 2010 in response to increasing demand in ASEAN countries. Kitakami is the mother plant, with the steel cords and saw wires of Malaysia and Changzhou forming a tripolar production system. In the engineering business, we are involved in the construction and maintenance of the expressway network, which began in the mid-1960s with progress in motorization. We also develop products and construction methods and carry out construction necessary for building and maintaining roads in Japan, where 3/4 of the country is covered in mountains. As for road safety-related products, we not only ensure the safety of roads with guard cable and rock fence, but we also provide environmentally friendly products that are highly functional and durable. In addition, we develop and provide soundproof walls that cut noise while maintaining a pleasant and open appearance, or a variety of snow fences that protect roads from snow blown up from the ground and snowdrifts. Other products we provide include not only fences for protecting against falling rocks, flexible mighty fences, and suspension cable screens, but also curtain net, rope net, and mighty nets, among other nets for protecting against falling rocks and ensuring the safety of roads. The cable products of Tokyo Rope Manufacturing, praised for its highest quality in the world, have been used in many of Japan's landmarks. It is not an exaggeration to claim that the cables of Tokyo Rope Manufacturing are holding up all of the major suspension bridges of Japan, from the longest bridge in the world, the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, to the Great Seto Bridge and Rainbow Bridge. Our engineering business is now expanding its activities out into the world. The mighty net is being used in CIS countries, including Russia, to ensure the safety of roads. Tokyo Rope Manufacturing cables are also used in the Stonecutters Bridge in Hong Kong, one of the biggest cable-stayed bridges of the world, and the Kanto Bridge in Vietnam. Technical development is the foundation of Tokyo Rope Manufacturing. The research laboratories at the center of technical development are currently located within the Tsuchiura plant. It operates in collaboration with all businesses of the Tokyo Rope Manufacturing Group to engage in research activities ranging from development to investigations and testing and evaluation. In particular, we not only have a wire rope manufacturer with an electron probe microanalyzer and an inductively coupled plasma atomic emission spectrometry, but we also have a planetary fatigue testing machine for elevator cable and a wire rope fatigue testing machine, making it one of the biggest state-of-the-art research facilities in the world. We constantly strive to stay one step ahead of the times through a variety of technological innovation to create a high-strength cable for the longest suspension bridge in the world, the wire rope with resin-coated core for the fastest elevator in the world, and wire rope testers. We plan to continue developing highly functional and high added value products to bolster our foundations. As competition intensifies in the global market, customer needs are diversifying and increasing in sophistication, including not only demand for greater strength, but also lighter weight, longer life, advances in diagnostic technology, and cost reductions. At Tokyo Rope Manufacturing, we are striving to expand our offices in response to globalization, while simultaneously making use of our unique strengths, combining the huge potential of unprecedented materials with our technological depth to continue our challenge of becoming a company that provides total cable technology. Carbon fiber composite cables, CFCC, are currently attracting the most attention. Tokyo Rope Manufacturing made skillful use of unique technology to successfully spin carbon fibers together for the first time in the world to form cables. CFCC is used for a variety of purposes that take advantage of its properties of being low elongation, lightweight, and rust-proof. CFCC has traditionally been used domestically as anchors to prevent landslides in corrosive environments, such as in hot springs or seaside areas. It is also extremely effective as structural reinforcement material for use in concrete for bridges. It will extend the life expectancy of bridges and massively cut maintenance costs, for which it has attracted a lot of attention from all over the world, particularly from North America. We are also making advances in the development and manufacturing of ropes using new fibers. As offshore energy development and projects to develop gas fields spread rapidly, the development and manufacturing of products using a wide variety of materials, such as heavy gauge wire ropes, superfiber ropes, and CFCC, for maintaining plants that draw energy from the bottom of the ocean, are advancing at a rapid rate. Sales and excellent maintenance system of ropes, SEMSOR, allows the systematic replacement of ropes without obstructing operations by connecting ropes used by customers to our company computer system using the internet to carry out constant monitoring.
当社は広範な素材と加工技術、その周辺技術から創造されてきた新商品、そしてこれらの商品群を駆使した エンジニアリングを事業のリソースとして持っています。単に規模の拡大を追い求めるのではなく、技術や商品の多様性を武器にして社会のさまざまな成長市場においてより安全で環境性に優れた商品サービスをご提供することによって継続的に成長していける企業を目指します。
The 125-year history of Tokyo rope manufacturing has been one of challenges spanning generations. That is why the indispensable experience, technology, and know-how we have acquired give birth to high and thorough quality. For everyone's safety and security. Tokyo rope manufacturing will continue in our pursuit of total cable technology.